This is a shout out to Talissa, a blind girl, also known as Talissa Loves Chocolate. It's true. Ow. But it's chocolate. I'm torturing you. I'm eating chocolate on camera. Yum. And also Ripple Bunny. Hope I said that right. Yeah, I got the flowers on glasses. I have some glasses. Sandy balls. Cheesy! My tail is stuck. Done. Chocolate. Sandy balls! I'm not that mad. I can't see. Glasses. It's like on the OBS. Whatever. It's a shout out to Talissa. Also known as Talissa Loves Chocolate. It's true. Don't torture them again. Oh. And Rip Bunny. Elliot. As they asked for the shout out to school. Bye! Ah! I want chocolate for dinner. Wait. I want chocolate. Give me chocolate. Just leave it like that.